Imagine you're standing at a crossroads, faced with two equally promising paths. One leads to Wrike, the other to Asana. Both are popular project management tools, but which one is the better fit for your team and your specific needs? Let's dive into the world of project management and find out. In today's fast-paced business environment, efficient project management is crucial. It's about streamlining workflows, improving collaboration, and ultimately, achieving project goals. That's where tools like Wrike and Asana come into play. But with so many options available, how do you choose the right one? In this video, we'll compare Wrike and Asana, highlighting their key features, benefits, and potential drawbacks. Wrike, a deep dive. Wrike is a comprehensive project management platform that offers a wide range of features. Let's explore some of its key functionalities. Task management. Wrike allows you to create, assign, and track tasks efficiently. You can set due dates, assign priorities, and add comments for better communication. Asterisk. Collaboration features. Wrike promotes collaboration with features like shared folders, real-time commenting, and at mentions. This makes it easy for teams to work together seamlessly. Asterisk. Workflow automation. Automate repetitive tasks and processes using Wrike's automation rules. This can save time and reduce errors. Asterisk. Reporting and analytics. Gain valuable insights into your team's performance with Wrike's reporting and analytics tools. Track key metrics, identify bottlenecks, and make data-driven decisions. Asterisk. Asana. A closer look. Asana is another popular project management tool with a focus on simplicity and ease of use. Here's what it has to offer. Intuitive interface. Asana's clean and intuitive interface makes it easy to learn and use, even for those who are new to project management tools. Asterisk. Kanban boards. Visualize your workflow with Asana's Kanban boards. This helps you track the progress of tasks and identify potential bottlenecks. Asterisk. Time tracking. Accurately track time spent on tasks using Asana's time tracking feature. This can help you optimize resource allocation and improve project estimates. Asterisk. Integrations. Asana integrates seamlessly with popular tools like Google Workspace, Slack, and Salesforce, enhancing its functionality. Asterisk. Comparing Wrike and Asana. Now that we've explored the key features of Wrike and Asana, let's compare them head-to-head. Ease of use. Both tools are relatively easy to use, but Asana's simpler interface might be a better fit for those who are new to project management. Asterisk. Features. Wrike offers a more comprehensive set of features, including workflow automation and advanced reporting. Asana is more focused on core project management functionalities. Asterisk. Pricing. Both tools offer different pricing plans, so it's important to consider your team's size and budget when making a decision. Asterisk. Target audience. Wrike might be a better choice for larger teams or those with complex projects. Asana is well suited for smaller teams or those who prioritize simplicity. Asterisk. Choosing the right tool. Ultimately, the best project management tool for you depends on your specific needs and preferences. Consider the following factors when making your decision. Team size. If you have a large team with complex projects, Wrike might be a better fit. Asana is well suited for smaller teams. Asterisk. Project complexity. Wrike's advanced features make it suitable for complex projects. Asana is simpler and easier to use, but it may not be as robust for highly complex projects. Asterisk. Budget. Both tools offer different pricing plans, so consider your budget when making a choice. Asterisk. Personal preferences. Ultimately, the best tool is the one that you and your team find most intuitive and effective. Asterisk. In this video, we've compared Wrike and Asana, highlighting their key features, benefits, and potential drawbacks. By considering your team size, project complexity, budget, and personal preferences, you can make an informed decision about which tool is right for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.